Cement is the essential binding ingredient to concrete, and concrete is the second most used material in the world, just next to water. And so we know that it is essential to building our cities and communities. The Richmond cement plant makes 100% Portland limestone cement. So we were able to switch and sustainably make a lower carbon cement. Innovation is important to Amrize because I'd say over the last 10 years, we've seen a significant amount of attention put on our industry, looking at how we decrease our emissions, how we produce cement more efficiently, how we improve the performance of our building solutions. It's been really empowering to see how much passion people have for our industry in particular. The opportunities are immense within the cement and building materials industry. We will always be needed in order to build our bridges, our roads, the foundations of our home. There's so many different opportunities available to anybody who's looking to build a career within our company.
I'm proud to work for Amrize because I can see what I do in our day-to-day business and how it impacts the communities and where we live. I've worked here for 15 years now. I was hired on and worked my way up through supervisor to plant manager. A typical day for me would be leading the crew, ensuring good communication between the groups, ensuring that we're safe in our operations. I like to get out in the field, I like to talk to people, and I like to put my hands-on approach. We look at the future ambition of the plan and creating long-term vision for success. We have a very talented, enthusiastic team. We come together, we collaborate, we challenge each other. We really drive for success every day. I believe it's my role as plant manager to ensure every single employee goes home the same way they came to work. It is the absolute cornerstone of how we do business. Without safety, production doesn't matter.
I really enjoy being able to work with so many different people across the business. There's so many different areas that you can work in, whether it's safety, HR, operations, you could be a truck driver. I'm really proud to be able to contribute to building materials that are building our cities, our communities. It's amazing when you're driving. A lot of people do like their family vacations, you're driving for hours across Canada, and be able to point out to your family, that's Amrize Cement that's within the Portman Bridge in BC, or we have Amrize Cement at the Gordie Howe Bridge, or we have the Confederation Bridge in the Atlantic provinces. We're able to showcase what it is that we are making every single day. It's always really empowering to see that we give so much importance to environment within this company.
Sustainability to me means doing today or what we need today to ensure the future for tomorrow. Some of the innovations I've seen since joining Amrize is the addition of our PLC cement. Portland limestone cement has allowed us to lower our overall CO2 footprint in our finished product by 10%.
We have a very, very dedicated team of environmental professionals across Canada. They work across hundreds of facilities to ensure that our operations are decreasing their impact as much as possible on the surrounding environment and our communities.
Some of the misconceptions people have is that we're an older industry and there's not new innovation here. We introduce things like high-level control, AI sensors helping us for our maintenance department detect problems early, creating new products helping the environment and lowering our CO2 footprints.
So it's looking at what changes can we make in our operations today to ensure that we can continue to improve the performance of our building solutions while also reducing our impact on the environment. A lot of investment in money and time has gone into this facility. Over the last 10 years, we've reduced our carbon footprint, and it's now the lowest carbon intensity cement in all of North America.
Amrize is very people-focused. They've invested heavily into their people, into their career development, into their training, and has brought a lot of innovative technology into the industry.
And so our bridges, our homes, our sidewalks, our roads, it is essential that we continue to manufacture cement and concrete efficiently, sustainably, in order to make sure that in the future we can continue to operate as we do today.